Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this beautiful unit from Eayon hair, and this is their crystal lace melt skin tone Yaki texture unit. And I'm just showing you guys that you can actually rock this in a high ponytail, low ponytail, and also this is a 13x6 lace front wig. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my got to be spray, and I'm just spraying this unit down just in the front, so then I'm able to push the hair back and get to plucking. Now this hairline already looks perfect, but I usually love plucking just a little bit more because I love a nice thin looking hairline just for it to look more natural. And this unit does not need much customization. The most you have to do is bleach the knots. If you want to go ahead and pluck it a little bit more, you can. So I'm just going to go ahead and bleach the knots. You guys have seen me bleach knots many times on my channel, but I just wanted to insert this clip. Usually after bleaching the knots, I do go in and grab a purple shampoo, and this is the one I use just to get rid of the brassiness. But yeah, girl, this unit is a hands down 10 out of 10. The texture is beautiful, and this is exactly how it looks inside of the unit. You receive 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 at the bottom, and also the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Eayon tinted spray and a powder foundation. So I am just setting that tinted spray with this powder foundation. This is pretty much going to tint the lace. Now if you're not good at bleaching the knots, this would be the best route for you to do as well, but I love bleaching the knots and then applying this on top. Now sometimes I don't bleach my knots all the time because, to be honest, I don't have time. So if I have a little bit of time, I bleach the knots. If I don't, I usually do this method. So I'm grabbing my Eayon Wonder Lace Bond Spray and my Lace Academy Melting Spray. So applying these 2 products together are literally my holy grail. So I grab the Eayon spray first. I apply this all over my lace, whether it's on top or just under the lace, and then I just apply it just like normal. And then I grab the melting spray because I want the lace to look melted, and then I apply that on top. So I didn't catch that on camera for you guys, but that's what I usually do. Those 2 combinations for me works very well, and I feel like the lace looks so much better. I'm gonna go ahead and create my parting space. I wanted to go for a side part this time around. I want this to come a little bit closer so you guys can see the parting space. But yeah, you guys, I felt like the parting space looks really natural. I am gonna create a little bit of baby hair in this video though, but once I do that, you guys are gonna see at the end of the video how natural and realistic the lace looks, and overall even the parting space. Y'all, this unit is hands down a beautiful Yaki unit. You need this one. Like, this is bomb. Anyways, grabbing the hot comb because I want this unit to lay flat. Okay, this is the key to have your units laying flat. Have a hot comb, girl. Okay, especially the one that you can plug it in and not have to wait for it to get hot on the stove. I used to have that one. That's annoying. So I'm grabbing my wax stick as well because you guys can see there's a little bit of flyaways, not too much, but we want everything to look really nice and flat and just perfect. Because at the end of this video, you guys, oh my gosh, y'all gonna be like, wow, this unit is so gorgeous. Like, it's so stunning. It holds a curl so good as well. Like, takes heat like a dream. It's a bomb unit. So grabbing the hot comb. Oh yeah. Oh, y'all felt that? Like, sis, I kept burning myself, and I was on the phone with Junior telling him like, why am I burning myself? But anyways, grabbing this Tresemme mousse because I am creating a little bit of baby hair, not too much, because I felt like this unit looks so good. I didn't have to do too much with the baby hair, but I wanted to add just a little something on there. Oh, so beautiful, you guys. So I'm going back into that powder foundation and just applying that on top of the lace. Even though I tinted the lace earlier, I felt like that lace was a little too light still. So if you have this issue, just go ahead and grab your foundation and go back on top of the lace, and that should fix the problem. Usually after I'm done applying my makeup and stuff like that, everything just melts in really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this unit. I don't have a curling iron anymore, so I just use my straightener, and it does a pretty freaking good job. I'm going to link this straightener down in the description box. Like, seriously, out of all the straighteners I've ever had, this one takes the cake, girl. I just love the fact that it's small. It's not really small, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I used to have a fat freaking straightener for no reason. Now this one is a little bit more smaller and thinner, so I'm able to curl it and it gets the job done. Like if you have a straightener like this, you don't really need a curling iron. It might take you a little bit longer to curl, but it's so worth it because your curls are still going to turn out really, really nice. You just need to get a hang of curling your hair with a straightener. And boom, just like that, you guys, I'm done. I'm done curling the hair, and I think it looks so stunning. I went ahead and just added some layers to the face because, I mean, come on, we have to frame the face. So freaking gorgeous. If y'all looking for a more natural, realistic wig, then this unit is for you, my loves. I wanted to try to put this unit in a high ponytail, which you can. I thought this was so cute. I wasn't going for that look, but I just wanted to kind of see if we can rock her up, and I think it's such a cute look. I'm gonna do that on another day, but not on today's video. And I wanted to come close so you guys can see the texture of this unit. It is a beautiful Yaki. As always, you guys, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I love y'all so much. All the details to this unit will be in the description box. In case I have a discount code, check the description box out. I would hate for you guys to pay full price for this unit. I love y'all. Now Pinasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.